Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to 3D print an object once you have the G-code ready. So the first thing you need to do is turn on the printer with a little button on the back. It'll turn it on. And while you're waiting, you can go ahead and clean the bed by spraying some isopropyl alcohol onto a cloth and just cleaning it, just wiping it down to make sure there's no leftover debris from a previous print. And then you put your USB with your G-code in it into the printer, and then once it recognizes the USB, it'll automatically load the newest file, so you can see how long it'll take, how much filament it'll take, and then once you know all of these details, you can hit print and it'll automatically start heating up. You can see the live temperatures of the hot end and the belt and the bed temperatures. You can also tune it. You can manually adjust print speed, nozzle temperature, things like that. You don't usually need to, but in some cases, you want to increase like print speed or increase nozzle temperature for a faster flow rate. So once it's done heating up, it'll start homing so that the printer knows where it is, and then it'll probe, so it'll go on each individual point, and then it'll extrude some filament here and then make a skirt, and then it'll start the actual print. So I'll show y'all once the first layer is ready to go. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's purging right now and it's starting the first layer. So you always want to make sure that the first layer goes well, because that's usually where prints fail. And if the print is successful on the first layer, then you're usually good to go and you can leave it alone for hours at a time. It's also like a good way to see how big it is and make any last minute changes if necessary. And you can see over here how long it's been printing for. You can change statistics if needed. You don't really usually need that. And you usually just wait until it's done. So this will take 3 hours. So after 3 hours, I would just come back and then rip it off and then clean the bed and make sure I'm good to go for a second one. So thank you guys for listening, and that's how you use a 3D printer to print something out.